I think it just makes sense that voice will be a good interface. Actually, sama mo na rin dyan yung actually, people are quite surprised when I show them na yung OCR capability ng LLM is actually almost perfect. Handwritten notes, di ba?
Yeah, true.
You can upload it
Ay,
in a
alam
large
mo,
language model. Oh,
interesting kan when you do OCR ng handwritten, actually hindi siya word per word na natatranslate, but the essence is, it's everything is there.
correct.
Parang, hindi
Oo.
ko alam paano niya ginawa, pero parang pinaraphrase niya yung handwritten
Yung
notes.
notes.
Ganun din yung kinalabasan, pero hindi siya parang letter by letter na kino-convert.
Yeah. Baka kino-correct na rin niya yung grammar mo as it reads, no?
Baka, oo, parang nire-rewrite ka niya eh. Siguro it's that like just how the AI understood, what's written and then kinonvert niya to a text format.
It's strange. So, minsan I can get philosophical about it eh. Kasi, I mean, people in our generation, and anyone older, 40 and up, let's say, we're used to machines receiving rather simplistic direction, di ba? Kahit sa coding, very binary, very deterministic. And nakakapanibago to a lot of our generation and older when you see machines literally take anything you can throw at it na ngayon, no? Whether it's audio, voice, images, and the way you can write, I mean, maybe the more techie types, yung mga dumaan ng coding, they kind of have an idea of how logic works. Pero it's still rather simplistic, very structured yung mga programming language.
Mm.
Ngayon, you can be as unstructured as you want, no? Kahit mali-mali nga yung grammar, as you said.
Yeah.
Nagigets niya. And it's, for me, still mind-blowing. Siguro sa edad na lang. Na underneath all of that is still mathematics. So somehow the math is able to interpret all of this stuff. Kaya ako, saludo talaga ako the way these multimodal models have worked. Kahit ngayon I'm all I'm all in awe. Kasi imagine mo back in the day we used to kunyari in a database, no. You have different types of data and you have to do conversions, 'di ba? Pag ganyan. You have to do cross tabulations, pivots, mga ganyan for the logic to work. Ito, throw a picture in, add some text, summarize the text, parang at a fundamental level, nagets na nung math. And I think that's more than what most people actually appreciate pag ganyan. It looks like a magic box na nga pagdating dyan, di ba?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
It's all estimation actually lumalabas. Hindi siya determined. It's probabilistic. Hindi siya,
Probabilistic. And then yun din yung mamaya pag-usapan natin if we have time, yung AI safety debates.
yeah,
Um,
other big
I
thing.
feel kasi, di ba, there are doomers, call them doomers na lang,
Sige,
who
I'll
think
I'll
AI will
hide
kill us, no?
I'll hide
And
this.
and then there are AI skeptics who don't think AI actually works. It's just ano lang, smoke in mirrors. And sabi ko, sige, I understand if you're a skeptic, maybe you don't use it. And I understand if you're a doomer, if you're scared of it. But you can't be both a doomer and a skeptic. 'Di ba? Kasi if you didn't think AI worked, ba't ka natatakot?
Oo,
No?
tama, tama.
Kung natatakot ka, then that means you acknowledge the power of AI. So may ganyang medyo,
The,
split personality
the
mga.
good news is, yung PDOM ng mga experts is getting lower.
Mga baba.
Like, a few years ago, parang there's a lot of skeptics na, oh, no, it's the end, magiging Terminator. But
Oo.
the recent parang mga interviews, parang pababa na ng pababa yung PDOM. For those who are listening, PDOM is a probability of doom. Parang it's a standard, hindi naman standard, pero term na
It's a term
slang
that we
term.
use, ano. Mm.
Sa,
Actually, talking about Terminator, kagabi lang, just to put myself to sleep, I watched Terminator Dark Fate on Netflix. I
put
never really
yourself to sleep,
appreciated it.
So nakatulog ka ba?
Talagang yun yung papatulog sa akin. Pero this time, finally, natapos ko na siya. And again, I don't want to get too philosophical. And I'm not a big fan of the movie per se. I still prefer the original. Pero I like this, parang iteration because of the subtle meaning. Anyway, I don't want to spoil it too much. Pero si Sarah Connor, matanda na, andun siya. And then there's a new Terminator, obviously, chasing some other person. Hindi na siya yung hinahabol. And then there was this other character who actually got introduced first. It's a woman who actually you thought was a Terminator, but actually she's an